Welcome back to science class. Hope you're all fine, children. Today I'm going to teach a new topic, types of force. There are two types of force. One is contact force and another one is non-contact force. This contact force is again classified into three: muscular force, mechanical force, frictional force. In the same way, non contact force is also classified into two. One is gravitational force and another one is magnetic force. Let me see all these type of forces in detail. Contact force. When a force is applied by touching the object, it is called contact force. Example, lighting a matchstick. Non contact force. When a force is applied without touching an object, it is called non contact force. Example, vacuum cleaner and magnet. Next one, muscular force. The force applied by using the parts of our body is called muscular force. Example, making pot. To make the pot, they use the hands to make the pot. The force used here is muscular force. Mechanical force. The force applied by a machine is called mechanical force. Example, bulldozer to dig the ground, grinding using a mixer grinder. Gravitational force. Why do fruits fall down from the tree? When we jump, why do we come down? Why we don't fly? This is because the earth pulls all the objects towards itself. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Magnetic force. A magnet is a material that attracts things made of iron. The force that attracts things is called magnetic force. Frictional force. When we roll down a ball on the grass ground, it slows down and finally stops. We know that an object cannot stop without force. The force that stopped the ball is frictional force. Force exerted by the surface when an object moves over it is called frictional force. Last topic is friction. When we use eraser on a paper, the shape of the eraser changes. Why? It is because of the friction between the eraser and the paper. So, friction is defined as a force actions between two surfaces in contact or when they slides over one another. This is called friction. Children, with this, the lesson is over. We shall move on to the book exercises in the next video. Thank you, children.